crafters, Sandra Northmore with Creative Memories. I'm so excited to be teaching this segment with you on our card kits that Creative Memories has. So we have several card kits. Today we're going to work with the Holly Jolly card kit. It is a kit that has 12 blank cards, 12 envelopes, and all the pieces to create those cards. Super easy, super fun, and so let's get started. Hey crafters, it's Sandra Northmore here with Creative Memories. I'm so excited to create with you today. What we're using is the Creative Memories Holly Jolly card kit, and we'll share where you can buy that on our website. And we're using a tape runner from Creative Memories that is so fantastic. So let's get started. So your card kit comes in a cute box. You have instructions to create 12 cards. These are the instructions. And you have everything that you need in a Ziploc bag that is numbered and lettered on the back. And so you simply create piles of the 12 embellishments, and then we coordinate with the instructions to create the cards. And there is a bonus package with the card kit that you can use for creating other cards, adding bling to the existing cards that we create, and you can also use that elsewhere in anything that you want to do. So again, there are 12 blank card kits, cards, and 12 envelopes that are super cute envelopes. So let's get going. So open up your package and simply spread out all the embellishments and in the numbers and piles. So super easy. Perfect. So now that you've got your piles of your cards, we're ready for the next step. Okay, so now I have instructions for card kit number 1. I've got a blank card kit here, and so I just turn over all the pieces and lay them out like a puzzle and follow the directions. Super, super simple. Amazing. Perfect. And so then you just tape that down. So I'm going to set that aside and we're going to go to card number 2. So the directions are here. Again, you follow the picture, super easy. Turn over again, and then put Merry Christmas on. So I'm going to do a few of these just to show you, and then we can speed things up. So card number 4 is just making this beautiful little card with this building on each other, and then the card kit on top. So that's card number 3. Card number 4. Instructions are on this side, and could not be easier, you guys. So this is great for us as crafters to quickly and easily create a beautiful card. You could put a little note in there. So that's number 4 done. Okay, so now we're going to get going with cards number 5 and 6. So super easy. Again, just following the directions. All the pieces have been created, put into piles, and you simply turn them over and follow the picture and the direction, and you easily have a beautiful card. So that's number 5. Number 6, this is a blank card, has a beautiful backdrop and then embellishment corners, and then a fun centerpiece, and voila. These cards are affordable and fun. Everybody is enjoying these. You can create these cards ahead of time, and you can add in these as gifts for loved ones. Who doesn't like a beautiful handmade card? And so that is number 7 and 8. Now we're going to create 9 and 10. So again, you just copy the picture, put the pieces down. You can switch pieces in whatever order you'd like. These card kits are easy. Anybody can do them. Kids can do them. Crafters can do them. Non-creative people can do them. It's so nice to give a card that is handmade, and this is a very fun, easy solution. So that's number 9. Number 10, again, simply turn over, and you've got all the pieces that you put in a pile. So then you just simply follow the directions, and it could not be easier, more fun. You can tape these down with your Creative Memories tape runner, or you can use foam squares and enjoy. The last 2 cards, number 11 and 12, are so super cute. The magic of Christmas never ends, and its greatest of gifts are family and friends. I mean, this is just such a joy to create, such a joy to share, and I hope you're having fun. I think I might be going faster than you guys can keep up, which is okay. I just want to make sure you have the idea and we have enough time for everybody to see all 12 of the cards completed. So this is card number 12. And again, the pieces are cut out for us and super fun, you guys. So you can finish these up, add any bling, and tape down. I'm actually going to tape one down for you just to show. So let's start again. So we take the first piece and using our tape runner, put the tape on the back. And then the second piece is B. And center that piece in the center. And then C is offset just a little bit. And then you want your bow on the top. Amazing, just beautiful. So I hope you get a chance to create and finish these cards. If you want to purchase the card kit, it will share the website, and Creative Memories is enjoying creating with you today with Scrapbook Carnival virtual event. Thank you all for joining. Just before we finish up, I wanted to share our repositionable tape. So this repositionable tape from Creative Memories goes on by dots, which means that the dots adhere to your paper, go through onto the table or surface where you don't need them, and easily, when you have an embellishment that has a lot of holes in it, you are easily able to adhere to your card or your surface. So I'm just going to go ahead and put on repositionable tape. And again, it goes on by dots, and the dots that I don't need have gone through on the table, and you can just brush those off. Then the rest of the dots are now on the back of my embellishment, and I can glue those down. Super easy. Repositionable tape, of course, is repositionable. You can pick it up again, and that just allows you, if you've made a mistake or if it's a little crooked, then you can do it again. So I have gone ahead and created all the cards. I've actually just adhered them down, and they are so beautiful. This card kit, along with other card kits, are available from Creative Memories, and we will share the website after this presentation. Thank you so much for watching. Cheers.